Hello, welcome to Group 40 Group Project MoodVerse, and I'm Tanim. And in this Group Project MoodVerse, I have developed the location component, and the key functionality of this location component is to get the user input and view the user location on the map and fetch the nearby activity list, and also guide them to the direction of that activity they will choose from the list. So if I move to the VS Code, everything is running here. I have developed the JSX file, location JSX file for the functionality, CSS file for the design, and the Google Map JS for handling the APIs. And also I have developed a Express.js backend server here with the server.js for handling and fetching the nearby activity list according to the functionalities. So here I have also developed my backend for saving the data. I have everything running here so that this video can be very concise. And here it is running, and let's go in the front end. If I go here and I click the location, it is showing me an input box, and I have a preset of my own location. And if I click the submit now, it will show me a map, and here I am. I can zoom in, zoom out, and here I have different type of view of the map. If I click the satellite and I zoom in more, I can just put myself here and view anything. So here I also have a show nearby park list, nearby gym, show nearby museum. So as a user, if I want to go in the Auschwitz Memorial, I can just go here and it will show me the direction from my location. That's amazing. So this is all about my front end and its functionalities. Also, if I put anything wrong here, it will show me the error message as well. I just need to put one maybe wrong input here. So as this is all valid, so it is not showing any error right now. So if I move forward to the database, if I add something new address, suppose 100 man array, and if I submit, and now if I move to the database, and here is my location entry list, if I view the list, and this is my query list, and if I go down here, I can see the 100 house number and my address, and it is also saving the latitude and longitude of the location I have entered. So yes, this is where I know the database is working. And also, if I try something new again, if I try 99 man array and open my console, here I can see the network, and if I click submit now, it will show me the places, and yeah, I can see here it is saving. And on the console here I have some errors, and these are some in general warning and some errors for the way I have coded that. So I will try to give an explanation for that after testing the Postman API. So without wasting no time, if I move to the Postman API like this, and if I have created some presets. So if I click here I can see this is the endpoint for the database. It says it is saving the data. If I put something random here like 100, or I can say anything like 9,900, and the country land and postal code is 1234. Even though it's not valid, the only functionality it serves is saving the location. Here I can press send, and it's sending the request, and here I can see it's working, and I don't have any longitude and latitude here, so this should come null. And if I go to the workbench and if I just refresh it real quick, I can see here this is the data I have just entered, and the longitude and latitude is null. And also there is one more test And here I will use the API for fetching the nearby places. And here I have used the preset for searching for restaurants. This is not a functionality I have for the front end, but this is I have for the back end. And so if I just press if I try something here like 99, 94, if I restaurant, if I just click here, it is working. It is showing me all the, so it is the location, longitude, latitude. I can go if this is the Lamoni somewhere. So this is how I could implement all the functionality of fetching nearby places with this. So yeah, so this is my test is complete by this. And now now I want to give a brief explanation about my console. Here I put my location again, and after putting the location here I can see my map, and now it is gonna show the console errors. And here the errors are the unsafe component will receive the props warning, and this warning is coming up because of it's just a warning. It is not really suggested and recommended to use in a strict mode and prone to bugs. So this can be a breakpoint in future. So especially when we are fetching the data from different purposes, it can be a problem in Google Map API and Google wrapper. And also the loading performance of the Google Map API is not really a suggested way, because it is directly loaded without using the best practice patterns. But I have tried using the practice pattern, but it won't catch the nearby places if I do that in this function, so I could not. And warning about the set state and component, and this component, these things are a bit complex according to me, my limitation of the knowledges, so I could not fix that. And same goes to the invalid prop problem and map type control options. So I couldn't find proper references and couldn't gain enough information to fix this problem. And even though I tried to fix it, but it will ruin other functionalities of the website, so I just kept it like this. So this is it, and thank you so much. And this is the full functionality, top to bottom. And thank you so much again. Have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.